In this video we're going to learn how to use the green screen app by doing on the iPad. First of all, we need to open the app from the home screen and then tap on the plus icon in the top right and press create a new project. We can see the three bars at the bottom. They represent the three layers of video that we can have. We're only going to work with the bottom two. We're going to start with the middle one and press the plus icon and then add the camera. We'll press done and then use the flip camera icon at the top of the screen to use the back facing camera and start setting up the shot. We're using blue paper rather than a green screen, so we need to tap on the little rainbow circle at the bottom right there, and there we can adjust the colour that it's looking for to filter out. We want the checkerboard pattern to be as wide across the screen as possible, get rid of those pixelated bits, and we'll adjust the sensitivity as we need to, and change the lighting around. That's likely to be the biggest thing that affects it. Once we've got that sorted, we can press done and go back to the preview screen, and then we'll tap on the bottom layer and bring in a picture that we've already downloaded to our camera roll. So we'll tap on recents, select a theatre background, and then we can scale it and move it around as we need to. Once we've done that, we can tap on the camera bit on that middle layer, and then we can do the same with the camera layer. Once that's in position, we can move the video length to be a bit longer, and then we need to make sure that we drag the background so that that lasts a bit longer while we're recording, because the video will cut us off at the end of the video layer once we're recording. We tap record video at the top and it'll count us in, and then we can shoot our video. Once the video is finished, we can tap on save, which brings up a little menu in the bottom right, and then we tap on save video, and that saves it to our camera roll. Once we're done there, we can go back to our project screen by tapping on done, and then we can set the shot up to do different things, or a repeat exactly the same if we want, or we can choose to move things around, and then we've got the template there ready to shoot more videos when we want to. So we're just going to move this to the other side. See how it looks shooting it this way round, and then we can record the video again by tapping at the top. It counts us in, records the video, and then we follow the same process again. So we can repeat that for multiple students using the same project. And again, you save it, press save video, and that's now in the camera roll. We can go back to the project screen, and we've got that saved later for us if we need it.